I did not expect 2026 to start off like this. Lego has launched a new brick, the Smart Brick. Check this out. Announced at CES 2026, the Lego Smart Brick packs a tiny custom chip, no bigger than a single Lego stud, with sensors and a speaker that generates real-time sounds. There are also glowing LEDs built in, all in a standard 2x4 brick. No screens and no apps are required. The system consists of 3 parts: the Smart Brick, Smart Tiles, and Smart Minifigs. The Smart Brick contains sensors, an accelerometer, light sensors, and sound sensors, as well as a miniature speaker driven by an onboard synthesizer. This means that for your next Star Wars build, you'll be able to hear those engine sounds as you move your model around. It's mind-blowing stuff using near-field magnetic communication, and LEGO says it's all about encouraging play. The system will launch on the 1st of March and will be available on a number of new LEGO Star Wars sets this year. It's pretty fancy stuff. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comments below.